Now that we have a sense of where some of the differences lie with regards to how each generation wants to work, let's begin to explore why those differences exist. We will start by putting a spotlight on the emerging generations, Millennials and Gen Z. The reason being that Millennials and Gen Z are the two most disruptive generations in existence today. Millennials and Gen Z are a critical mass of change agents. For any of you who may have forgotten what a critical mass is, it's when you have a scale that's balanced, and then you have enough of something that tips that scale. That's critical mass. And because millennials, for example, are the largest generation on planet Earth, they've been at a natural critical mass. This means it has been easy for them to tip a lot of scales. Now, that doesn't make them unique, because when the baby boomers came into the marketplace, when they came into the workforce, because of their sheer size, they were tipping a lot of scales as well. So what makes today hyper unique? And what makes the emerging generation so very different? Two things. And these two things are the greatest disruptors the world has ever seen. Many would argue these are the greatest equalizers the world has ever seen. And those two items are technology and the internet. Those two items have been game-changing. Technology and the internet have changed how we live and work. Humanity's never seen such a greater disruptor and change agent than those two items. So if you put those two items on the shoulders of the largest generation on the planet, and now the most highly technologically advanced generation in human history, we've begun to experience exponential times where things are changing at the speed of Uber. Now, to help you really understand this idea of exponential times, I want to do a quick exercise. I'd like you to think of an invention of the past. We can go back as far as fire. Go ahead and begin shouting out your answers now.